Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into managing vendor relations in teamwork.com, your comprehensive guide for 2025. First things first, let's navigate to the Projects tab on your Teamwork dashboard. Here you'll be able to view all your ongoing projects. Now the reason we start here is because it's the central hub for your vendor-related activities. It's where you can manage tasks, track progress, and communicate with your vendors. Next up, click on the project you wish to manage vendors for. This will open up the project's details page. This is important because each project has its own set of vendors, and this helps us maintain a project-centric vendor management approach. Now that we've done that, let's move our focus to the People tab. Once there, click on Add People. This will allow you to add vendors to your project. The reason we do this is to ensure that every person involved in the project, including vendors, are in the loop. Once you've added the vendors, assign them their specific tasks. To do this, navigate to the Tasks tab within your project and click Assign Tasks. This helps us because it clearly defines what each vendor is responsible for, avoiding confusion and enhancing efficiency. Now let me explain why this matters. Regular communication with your vendors is key to successful vendor management. Therefore, make use of the Messages feature in teamwork.com to keep your vendors updated and address any queries they might have. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. You're fostering a relationship of trust and clear communication with your vendors, which is crucial for smooth project execution. And that's it. You're now well equipped to manage vendor relations in teamwork.com. Remember, clear communication and defined roles are key to successful vendor management. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy teamworking.